In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom tool in Airia and then use it within an agent. First, I will click on the Tools component in the Airia platform, and then you'll see your list of tools here. But in this case, we want to create a custom tool. So we're going to click Add New Tool and then create a custom tool. This is going to give you the form to fill out the tool information. First, we will give a name to the tool. The tool we're going to be setting up is just a webhook that will post messages. I'm going to name this webhook. The purpose is going to be what the model uses to determine when the tool should be called. In this case, I'll say when you need to post messages to the webhook. The next thing that we need to fill out is the body of the request. I'm going to give it JSON object with message parameter, and then I'm going to use a variable here called message that I'll fill out in the variables field here. I can click the name of the variable, which is going to be message. It's going to be a string type. This is how the model determines what to put for that parameter. I'm going to say the message to send to the webhook. The next thing I need to do is actually get the endpoint that I'm going to be sending the request to for this tool. I'll come into the API documentation here, and I'll get the endpoint, which is a post request, and copy that and paste that in here. The final step here is going to be to choose the authentication method that you will use. In this case, we don't have authentication, but if you had a header token or username and password or bearer API tokens, you can fill out that information in here. And the final step is to choose the product or project that this tool is going to go to. So in this case, we'll just call this General AI Use Project. Then I'm going to click Create, and now I can see when I search for the tool here, I see my webhook tool. Now I want to actually use this tool within an agent. I'm going to go into the project that I put this tool into, and then I'm going to create a new agent. And then to add a tool to the agent, I can click on the model block, select Tools, and then choose the webhook tool that I've created. And now I can go in and I can test it, and I can say, send a message to the webhook that says hello. And now you can see that the tool arguments are posted here, and I can go into my webhook and I see the post request with the message that says hello. I hope this was useful, and thank you for watching.